To rearrange to make the inverse function, I would first of all replace that with a y equals, and then I would exchange the variables. So y becomes an x and x becomes a y. Now I need to rearrange this so that x is over here and y is the variable. Y times x is equal to y minus 1, taking the y across. Option here, I could take the 1 across here and bring the yx across, or alternatively the y over. I'm going to opt for the yx over this side, so bringing the 1 over. And the reason we do that is so that we can partially factorise the side where the letter y is. And then if I divide by this bracket, we've now got y by itself. Hence, we've got the inverse function. So the inverse function is 1 over 1 take x. To write down the range of the inverse function, we require the domain of the original function. So the range is given by 1 to infinity. If I wanted the domain of the inverse function, I would require the range of this function, which clearly when I put 1 in, I get an answer of nothing, and when I put a large number in, I get an answer of 1. So whilst the range of that is 0, 1, the domain of this is, as I've just said, 0, 1, because the domain becomes the range and the range becomes the domain of an inverse function.